Welcome, today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. First, let's just open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that we should find here somewhere the screen recorder icon. For example, in my case it's here, and now just to launch the screen recorder settings we should hold for a while this icon, and now we can see here the settings of the screen recorder. And now just to change the screen recorder video quality we should click here to resolution section, and then we can switch it, for example, from the highest to the medium or to the lowest by this way. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.